Victoria, British Columbia, Alberta has Edmonton, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Regina, Saskatchewan. Moving to the east, and the next place that we'll go is the city of Toronto in Ontario. Fredericton, New Brunswick. Wait, hold on just a sec. Here is Quebec City, the capital of Quebec. Prince Edward Island's capital is a place called Charlottetown, and Halifax, Nova Scotia is a little further down. We're very nearly finished now, there only is one more. It's St. John's, which is the capital of Newfoundland and Labrador. Go to Whitehorse in Yukon to see amazing wildlife. In Northwest Territories, the capital is Yellowknife. Iqaluit's in Nunavut, our final territory, but there's still one place we have to go to finish up this story. Yes, you guessed it, Ottawa is our destination. It's the right place to conclude our trip, the capital of the nation.